From the world of entertainment, Nigerian singer Portable has shared a heartwarming story about how popular rapper Olamide helped him rise to fame. This happened during an Instagram live session with fellow artist Odumodublvck. Portable, whose real name is Okikiola Badmus, looked emotional as he spoke about the special moment when he met Olamide. He said Olamide gave him his first big song, Zazu, which changed his life. According to Portable, Olamide even promised him a house and a car, and he kept that promise. Odumodublvck listened quietly and nodded as Portable talked.
There's some money in the water. If there's some money in the water, everybody go down get home. Now, tell us about it. That's money. If you come, next house. Oh, we get home. The man we want to go. You know, get money. Rich person will get home. Baba, take conga. Oh, Baba, take conga. Kolowo deni don ni conga. Anthony conga. Now he said. Money go finish. How money won't they finish? Me wait them money na water. No. Who there is so money water? If na money na water, everybody will go down get bowl. Oh yeah, bang bowl. Oh no. So no say na money that they use the bowl. Poppy machine. No man is a poppy machine. You know say you na industry machine. I hear say you na machine. Na money making machine. Yeah. Money making machine. MMM. But you all know go crash. No, but MMM to go
Fans were surprised to see both of them together and praised Olamide for being a good mentor. Many Nigerians took to social media to share their thoughts. Some found the moment funny, while others warned Odumodublvck to be careful, as Portable is known for being unpredictable. Portable said he's thankful and he will never forget what the YBNL boss did for him. Fans had mixed feelings about the video, but many agreed Portable always find a way to stay in the spotlight. Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below, and we'll continue to supply you more entertainment news updates. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.